Ronald Kiprotich Melly, flanked by 2 police officers, appeared before the senior resident magistrate Jane Kamau at the Kibera Law Courts, Nairobi. The prosecution sought to have him detained for 3 more days for further investigations. The court instead granted 2 days. It will determine on Friday on a decision to whether charge or discharge him for forgery of medical documents. Melly used loopholes to cut corners and become an intern at the Kiprotich Adventist Hospital before employment as a doctor and a medical superintendent at Meteitei Sub-County Hospital in Nandi County. He did it in less than 2 years. The University of Nairobi has written to the Kenya Medical Practitioners and Dentists Board, stating in part, Ronald Kiprotich Melly was never trained at the institution. This nullifies all his documents which claim he completed a medicine degree at the university. A medical student is posted on a 1-year internship after completing 5 years medicine coursework. Documents show that the Ministry of Health, through the Office of the Director of Medical Services, recognized that Dr. Kiprotich Ronald supposedly graduated in 2013 from the University of Nairobi with a degree in medicine, being a late entrant in the list of posting. The temporary license he used for internship at Kiprotich Adventist Hospital shows he qualified for attachment in the year 2015, meaning, according to this document, he graduated 2 years after his posting for internship. In his application form for permanent registration as a doctor that he filled in yesterday at the Kenya Medical Practitioners and Dentists Board offices, few hours before he was arrested, Melly attained his degree in 2014. It is in this application for permanent registration at KMDPB that Melly lies stood out. The email he listed for the Dean of Medicine, University of Nairobi, a Gmail account. He lacked key documents required by the board, among them letters of completion of attachment. Melly used his forged letter of completion of internship, stamped on 30th but written on 31st to beat the odds and get employment at Meteitei Hospital in Nandi. The Kiprotich Adventist Hospital wrote to KMPDB that Melly never completed his internship and did not merit employment. In a second letter by the hospital, Melly is said to have skipped some of the obs-gyne rotation required. Further, he failed to provide certified copies of internship logbook duly signed by the supervisor. A doctor is required to present their Kenya Certificate of Secondary Education, degree certificate, and temporary license to get an appointment letter by the county so as to enter county government payroll system. These are handed over to the County Public Service Board.
71 of 2016, PC Ferdinand.
Just how did Ronald Melly obtain internship posting from the Ministry of Health, and how did he get a letter of appointment from the county and into the payroll system, even as a medical superintendent at Meteitei Sub-County Hospital with all these questionable qualifications? Eunice Omolo, NTV, Nairobi.